guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today's video is going to be super exciting because we are going back to the track, and luckily with all the seats back and all the weight back, we're able to put Sebastian's car seat in the car so he can ride with us and enjoy the cars. We'll get Sebastian strapped in the car seat and head to the track. All right guys, so check it out. We've got the front facing car seat now. Sebastian is super excited. See? He is ready for this drive. Hey guys, we are at the track and we got here just a tiny bit late to get one of the first runs in, but that's okay because it's actually not bad today. There's not as many cars as the last few times that we've been here. First run, we will go ahead and get an NA pass. Remember, the car is completely full weight. It's got the seat back in it. Now, I did go ahead and remove the car seat. Of course, the baby came here and we dropped them off. So I did remove the car seat. Now, of course, this is basically how you would get it. It's got the MPP mufflers back on, and of course the bottle there. The goal is to try to get as close to the 130 mile an hour range as best as we can. The DA is pretty good. It's about -100, -200 right now, and I think we can do it, guys. The only weight reduction basically in this car now is of course the drag pack and the aerospace brakes. So hopefully we can get a 10.8 at about 130 in the quarter mile NA, and then when we do the nitrous, I would love to be able to see a 140 mile an hour trap speed. We'll see. We'll try to get as close to that as we can, and still like a 9.7 or 9.8. We're gonna be racing a Demon. Unfortunately, the nitrous bottle pressure hadn't gone all the way up, so we're not gonna be able to use the nitrous on him, but we will see how we do. Hopefully we can still run a 10-second quarter mile there. There we go, got a good burnout. But it short shifted the first to second gear still, which is not bad because that's what we are expecting. That's what we expect to happen because of course the shift points are set up for nitrous. Now the draggy says a 1073. That is actually really damn good, considering that we added the weight back, guys, with -500 DA and that short shift. It still ran a 1073 at 132.7 miles an hour. That is insane. I can't believe it ran that. We'll check what the track says, but let's find out first how much this car weighs. Well guys, there you guys have it. Full weight is 3880, 3885, 3880. That is what this car weighs. Man, this thing is running amazing. Now you guys saw how much it weighs. This thing is almost 3,900 pounds full weight, and it still ran pretty much the same times that it was running with the seat and the back axle back removed. So the DA is only about between -200 and -500 DA, so I don't know if it's just maybe drier air, but it is running really, really good. So let's go ahead and show you guys. I'll put this times on the screen. So we got a 1.71 60 foot, which is probably the best 60 foot that I've ever gotten on this car. And it did a 699 in the 8th at 105 miles an hour and ended up at a 1070 at 132.7. That is amazing. Full weight, this thing is still trapping over 130 miles an hour. So NA over 130, check. Now let's see if we can get the nitrous pass to still be in maybe even the 9.7s like it's been doing full weight at over 140s. Pretty good burnout. There's the nitrous. Turn the nitrous on. All right. All right, guys. Put it back in drive. I almost forgot to put it back in drive. Let's see what this does. That is incredible. The car launched 966 at 141.4. So, wow. Okay. This thing is just impressive. What can I say? This car just always impresses and is so consistent. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put the time slip up on the screen here, but it went a 1.4060 foot 615 in the eighth at 113.6, almost 114 miles an hour, and a 963 at 141.4 miles an hour. Super close to a 9.5. I'm pretty sure if we wouldn't have had the seat or the mufflers, this thing would have ran a 9.5 tonight. Not sure what's up with this weather or why it's running as good as it is, but the car is running amazing. And you guys can see the twin turbo Mustang that we ran, it had a much slower 60 foot, so it barely ran a 10.9, but it was picking up steam with a 141.4 trap speed. So that twin turbo Mustang was pretty much trapping the same thing that my car was trapping, which means it is fast. I mean, can't ask for anything better. Definitely running amazing. The car, God, I love it. I was thinking of doing a 200 shot, but there's no need. The car's still running deep into the nines and performing flawlessly. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool down, let it relax and enjoy its rest, well-deserved rest. And let's go see some cars, see what they're running, so that you guys can see and compare what the Camaro is running to what other cars are running tonight. Guys, check out this all black with the carbon fiber. That actually looks really nice. Someone buy my Camaro so that I can get a ZL1. That thing is beautiful. All right, guys, we've got a GT500 coming up. GT500, pretty good. Pretty lazy off the launch though. 11.0 at 132.8. So it runs slower and about the same mile an hour as my Camaro NA. Check it out, guys. 570S in that beautiful, I believe it's a volcano orange. Those things are insane. .1034 at 138 miles an hour. Those things are insane. We've got the C8 on paper plates, Z51, and it's the hardtop convertible. You guys can tell it's the hardtop convertible because you can't see the engine, so it's just got that little vent there. Beautiful color. This thing is amazing. Check this out, guys. Now, if you're an OG, you know I've got a really soft spot for G8s, specifically G8s with a Pro Charger. Now this thing is killer. Has holes in the front to get the most air in the front intercooler. I believe it's a carbon fiber hood. Alumastars, big 15-inch drag pack, race weight seats. This thing is set up properly and should run really damn good. So looking forward to seeing what this car runs tonight. Well, it looks like it's spun a little bit, but it's coming on the top end. $11.58 at 120. And check it out, guys. So here we've got, I believe it's Dad Mod 426 F1A94, so it's a big blower. 392, well, not a 392, it's a 426, but Dad Mods on YouTube. I believe he's on street tires, so that car I think makes over 800, is not gonna hook at all. But let's see how it does. Yep. Very slow, 60 foot, just pedaling in because 1194 at 131. For those of you that like the old schools, we've got this I believe there's the Plymouth or the Daytonas or something like that, and then we got a C7 cam, full bolt-ons, drag pack on the other lane. Ooh, fun. C7 spun hard. 1226, 127.6. We got the GTR versus the Grand Sport. GTR is just a whole nother level. 11.6 for the GTR at 127. Finally, we got the 416 G8 with the D1 blower. Let's see what it'll do. Well, guys, there you have it. We got to see quite a bit of cars running out tonight, and of course got to run the Camaro full weight, full exhaust, full everything, and it did not disappoint like always. I mean, I should be expecting this pretty much every single time. The car is so consistent and runs really, really good. And after seeing a lot of the cars that were out tonight, I mean, this thing pretty much ran the best of any car out here from that I could tell. I mean, there was boosted cars out there. This thing was one of the few even in the 130s, and that was doing an NA. And on nitrous, it was one of, I don't think I saw other cars hit 9 seconds today and getting in the 140s. So obviously this thing is amazing, and hopefully if one of you guys buys it, I mean, you guys can see how consistent it is. If not, then I will still gladly continue to enjoy it. But it's time to go pick up Sebastian so that we can go back home. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got to see and compare the Camaro versus other cars in the same night, and you guys can be the judge. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Is my Camaro impressive, or is it that other cars are just slow? But with that said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.